Hello, lovely being. Welcome to my channel Life is Beautiful. My name is Shiny. So today's video is all about what kind of job we should do, or we can say what is the best thing we can serve to the society. So the answer is the job which is aligned with our true nature, rather than just going by the trends, blindly following the things. It is best that we do the things which is real to us. Let us dive into ourselves, to those small moments of our life, to the activities where you really find yourself so much alive. All your expressions are fulfilled. You feel so content. You feel so joyful. In short, we can say that you are so much aligned with the kind of job you are doing. And such kind of job you can do unconditionally, without money also. And that is the best thing to check, that whether you can do the job without money also, without getting paid also. So that is the best thing you can serve, conditionally as well as unconditionally. Say somebody loves to express herself, somebody is very creative, somebody loves to repair the things, somebody loves to organize the things, somebody loves to party, somebody loves to dress up. So nowadays we have seen that we can create opportunities for ourselves, and if we really want, then universe guide us. It creates the opportunity for us. So explore the magical powers within you. These are the magical powers to create the magical life for you, and I mean that. So have a happy life. Take care. Thank you.